So here's the app called Gigsmart. Find local jobs, work today. Pretty popular app to find some gigs, find some side cash, get paid fast. Download Get Gigsmart, Get Gigs app, and unlock the power of working in your own terms while maximizing your earning potential. Get Gigs gives you the freedom and control to find the best work opportunities most suited to you. Discover a wide range of shifts in all industries nationwide, offering endless opportunities right at your fingertips. So you will enjoy freedom and flexibility by exclusively choosing shifts that's aligned with your preference. All types of work across any industry. Rest easy knowing that you are covered by occupational accident insurance. Accept work offers instantly and get paid same day. So here is the app which you can just get in here. So here you want to find gigs or hire workers. So there are two apps. There are apps just for find jobs, and there's apps for businesses. Then you can just sign up in here, and for example, if you try to sign up very fastly with Apple, so then you can just select and proceed to creating your account.